filmmaker. Loved Alice in Wonderland when I was a child. Maybe there are too many great women that it's hard to think of one. Maybe there are so many, but let's say in more recent years, well, Kurosawa, Agnes Varda, Kiarostami, and Makhmalbaf. Of course, at the beginning, Maya Deren was a huge inspiration. And a lot of the early German women filmmakers like Margarete von Trotta and Helga Sander. And then experimental filmmakers, you know, Peggy Alwesh, Leslie Thornton. So there are a lot, yeah. There's too much great art. I have learned too much from too many great artists to really be able to name them, because I can think of 100 and give a reason why in each one, like that, she does that, he does that. Editing. Well, I don't know, like I did the Edited By website, and I really hoped that that would get people to think more about that part of the work that goes into filmmaking that women do, and I think it has had that effect. And I think we all have to just keep looking at films by women, going to films by women when they're in the theater. I don't really think about rules anymore. You know, that was a long time ago. Now I just make what I make, and I don't think, oh, I'm breaking a rule. I get so much advice, I would say, or feedback from people when I'm working. I'm always talking to other people about what I'm doing, so I constantly get good advice. My partner is very, very important. She's very smart, she's very interesting, she's a really great painter, and she's really smart when I talk about what I'm doing. I don't call that inspiring, but she's central, let's say. It's great. Yes, I think in any way that that women can create websites or whatever it is, festivals, books, that promotes work by women is fantastic. Yeah.